Just hold on here, freaking Badridges.
You're so cranky today. Holy shit.
I'm not cranky.
You are cranky. I'm not ready.
No, we're facing this way.
We're trying. Look, it needs 5 fingers. Put 5 fingers up for me, please. Not that close. Come on. Thank you. Get your big Duke's head in there.
Come on, what are you doing? Lift it up a little bit. Tilt. There you go.
Yeah. Are you like right outside? Hold on a second. Hey, W.
This is Sheena, this is Lori. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is Sheena.
This is my
Hello.
cousin Sheena,
Nice to meet you.
my little cousin. No, she tries to argue with me that driving on these highways is like normal and not scary.
You wait till you do it in a little, a 37-year-old's candle.
But like I was telling her that when it's hot, this is like 10 degrees cooler. Yeah, going back. I feel like, listen, I was telling you, see, Lori's been here on a hot day. You know, it's 90 degrees and sunny. So this is one.
Sounds good.
You know, take a walk down.
Well, that's the one we should have walked over right there.
Oh, we will.
Oh, we will. When.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be an easy tour. I'm making up all this stuff. You have no idea. No idea. Is it y'all's first time in the city as well? With that being said, yeah, how y'all liking it so far?
Beautiful.
Pretty good. Y'all came at a better day. I just been talking all day, man. My brain's like just fogged already, man. But regardless, we're still gonna have a great tour, all right? So my name is Jeremiah, folks. I'm gonna be y'all's tour guide / boat captain today. Before we get started on this tour, just to let y'all know, we do have some rules down here. So the first one, there is no standing because anybody, what is this right here called? What are we going under?
A head smasher?
Bridge, a head smasher, yeah. Well, definitely, this is a bridge, all right. Smarter than the last boat. So, this is one of many bridges now. This one's not low, however. We have some that go right above y'all's heads, so please remain seated. Next rule, there is no smoking, no dipping, no vaping, no chewing tobacco, or any other products like that. Please don't do it on the boat. Keep everything inside these wooden barrels right here at all times, and the last and most important rule of them all. There is no talking out loud amongst each other or on cell phones or even by the guests. Y'all all paid big bucks to hear my beautiful angelic voice talk on the tour. Y'all did not pay to hear each other's cheese man and all that stuff y'all got going on, alright? So please for the other guests, just keep it down to the minimum is all I ask. Last thing I'm gonna tell you, and then we're gonna get started. Y'all ready? So, in these hatches right here on the floor, we have 41, not 21 life vests present. In the very, very, very unlikely event we find ourselves in the water over here nowadays. Is it supposed to rain here in a bit? It's starting to get rain. So, this stage to my right, does anybody recognize it from a very popular film starring Sandra Bullock in the 2000s?
Discongeniality.
No, yeah, Discongeniality, there y'all go. This is where they did the bikini swimsuit scene for the film. Raise your hand if you've seen Discongeniality. Okay, cool, decent amount. So, I don't know if y'all knew this, but if you go back and watch the scene, there's a boat captain driving through this part right here in the movie. Go back, pause it. If you take a good close look, you'll recognize that it's not me. I'm too young. I wish it was. That would have been pretty cool, but it's not.
You're too young.
So, this used to be our first public library. It stayed right here till the World Fair in '68, and then we moved it down the river because a circus museum opened up right here. And it was hey, how's it going? I forgot to tell y'all, folks, y'all are on the most famous boat captain's tour right now. These people y'all see right here. And like I said, y'all see while we tell y'all to sit down, it's pretty low.
Wow.
Oh, to add a little pizzazz on top of this bridge already for it being a rare bridge, there is no welding done to this whatsoever as well. It's all held together by impact and all that. No welding done. Pretty remarkable. We have traffic that goes over this bridge every single day. Now, folks, to the right, if y'all can wave at Joanne right here. She feeds the ducks and all stuff. She takes care of them. Say, hey, Joanne, how's it going?
Hi, Joanne.
Hi. We love her down here. She's always down here. We show her love all the time. Have a great night, Joanne. Be safe, okay? So, she is actually on a very, very loved island. It is Marriage Island. It got its name because over 300 weddings a year happen here. It is said, if y'all get married here, y'all will be together forever. Is anybody on the boat celebrating their birthday today? It's your birthday, ma'am? Yeah? What's your name?
Kelly.
You said what?
Kelly.
Kelly? Alright, on the count of three, we're gonna see Kelly right here. The stock market crash caused the Great Depression. They put this $3 million building up for sale right behind us, folks, with the orange light. You can't miss it. They only sold it for $300,000 back to the city of San Antonio. Never became contractors. They left us this gorgeous building though. When it was completed, it was going to be the tallest one in San Antonio for the next 59 years until the Tower of Americas was built in '68. It stands at a very tall 405 feet. Now they say it looks like a ship. Can you see the ship they're talking about, everybody? Yeah. They say if we all stare at it long enough, we can hear the horns of the ship warning us to get out of the way. Let us see if we can hear it, everybody. Look. Did y'all hear it? Yeah, we better skedaddle on out of here, then I'll tell you what. It was built between 38 and 41 because we had a flash flood that came through in 1921 at this second story window. It wasn't in this part, this did not exist. It was on that natural part of the river over there. It killed over 50 people and it caused over $2.2 million in damage. They were gonna cover it up until Robert H.H. Hubman, like I said, built this stuff. I'm gonna talk more about him here in a little bit. Just remember that name, R.H.H. Hubman. So, for all the couples on the boats, if y'all want to be together forever before y'all leave, you come to this bridge right here. So, behind us is the San Antonio Lovelock Bridge. That prohibition ended in 1933.
Wow.
The longest woodshop bar in the entire state of Texas.
Hey.
Is 108 feet. Most people have been up there since 1933.
Come down, it's okay.
Has anybody been in the airport tavern yet?
No.
Oh, okay. Y'all definitely
We went on the rail.
Y'all do leave, like I said, it's super historic, and they actually got really good drinks. We have had tons of people come perform here, comedians, different types of musicians, rock bands, country bands, rappers, just a lot of people have come to perform at the State Theater. Now in front of us, this bridge, does anybody recognize it from a movie starring J-Lo, J for the Block, back in 1997? Yeah, Selena, there you go. This is where J-Lo, she came down here for the film Selena, and she sat her best asset right on the other side, and they shot the scene right here. So, the reason why they did the scene here, real life Selena Cortez Perez got proposed to the right. Since she said yes to her fiance, they went up on the bridge, kissed each other, and they took a photo. That is why you will see many people take kissing while taking a selfie on this bridge because of the historicalness behind it. So right here, folks, this is another thing we offer right here. This is the Go Real shuttle. It's like a bus stop down here for the river. 24-hour pass. If y'all buy it at 10 o'clock in the morning, you get to be on it until about, well, we usually give you the whole next day to get on it. So,
Irish
I said, y'all plan on this stuff. Now, does anybody on the boat enjoy optical illusion? If y'all do, we actually got one down here as well. So, to the left, once you pass the Wall Street Bridge, the bubblegum, same exact building. I need you to scale it all the way up and tell me what you see. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Start looking to the left and scale this building all the way up. What does it look like to you? There you go, you hit the number out of the head. It looks like a flat, freestanding wall. If you can't see it, that's okay. There is a quick fix for you. It is called tequila. You take about 10 shots of that, you'll be good to go. I promise you'll be able to see it. So, this is the Knicks Hospital. Now, the Knicks opened up in 1930. First full-service hospital in the entire country to have central AC and indoor parking garage. Closed down in 2019 due to COVID. They are getting renovated into a hotel because of the national historic renovation.
Come on the boat.
It's going to be a Marriott Lewis hotel opening up down here. So, hospital to hotel. Do any of y'all think it's going to be a haunted hotel when it opens up later this year? Yes, no, maybe some should be like, yes, I do too. And people stay here and experience the scary vibes going on. Marriott is going to be picnic. It is going to be called the Scary Eye.
This is crazy.
I told you.
Riverwalk. I'm thinking.
I told you.
So folks, to the left, usually they have a jazz band playing right here. If you enjoy jazz music, come to the Hyatt Regency and you can check it out right here. So the Hyatt Regency Hotel, right here to the left, is the only one down here that has the San Antonio River not only going into its lobby, but it goes through it 3/4 of the way to the Alamo. Reason why? The Alamo stopped there from being over 50 stories. It's a national shrine. The sun sets this way, so there'll be a big old shadow casted upon it. If y'all want to get to the Alamo from the river, super easy. Go to this hotel, go straight through the lobby and follow that river, and you will find yourself up there within 3.5 minutes. It's not far at all. Approximately 95 meters from this hotel. So this is Restaurant Row. That's why I asked y'all if y'all love Tex-Mex or Mexican. Majority of the restaurants here are, except for the Lone Star and the Republic Lake. They have a 60-ounce margarita, and there is 14 shots of tequila inside of that margarita. So to the right, where the Republic of Texas is, this is where the father of the Riverwalk, Robert H.A. Tubman, placed his office here in 1941 to basically prove to the city of San Antonio who trusted him. It's a good thing that they trusted him. This is the #1 tourist attraction in Texas. We get over 41 million visitors per year. We are #7 in the country, and this is the river falls and everything else in the restaurant is both on stuff. This produces about 1.1. And they are both glass front elevators. You can watch yourself ascend the 630 feet up into the tower. Now, there is a staircase for emergencies, which we have never needed to use. Now, there's 952 of them. Back in 1982, there was a 16-year-old. He ran up those 952 steps in 5 minutes and 18 seconds. It is in the Guinness Book of World Records. The fastest time going down the stairs is a very quick, blistering 55 seconds. Folks, this is the last location we're going to see today. This is the River Center one. Now, this is usually the busiest one year-round for 2 reasons. One, although we still are margaritas from us, y'all in between. The other reason, the actual main real reason, is because we're going to be entering into the River Center Mall. Now, this is the second largest mall here in the city. It is well over 1 million square feet. We have over 120 shops in here to include these restaurants. Now we have these other activities. We have 2 movie theaters in here. We have a regular AMC and an IMAX AMC, a better experience for y'all. We have rock climbing, playgrounds in here. We have off-course trampolines. We have Legoland Discovery for the kids, and we even have an aquarium in there called Sea Life. It's a big aquarium. So we have food over here. We have Margaritaville, Hooters, Yard House, Land Shark. On the outside, just to name a few. This food court, we're going to be doing this little loop in right here. This is 1 of 3. And in this one, we have like Charlie's, Philly Cheesesteak, Little Tokyo, Luciano's, and believe it or not, we got a authentic Mexican restaurant in there too. It is called Taco Bell. It's authentic Mexican food, yeah. I'm assuming you like Taco Bell. You don't know what authentic Mexican food is, trust me. So, does anybody not... What's your favorite thing to get? Yeah. A chalupa? You don't even get a burrito or a contra? Yeah, that's your favorite Mexican spot. That's Mexican. Oh, she just said to the entire Mexican culture right there. That's crazy, man. Anyhow, you pray to him and you more than likely will get it back. Now, there's only 2 other prayers I know. and you're on the market to sell your house, how this one works, you just buy a doll, turn it upside down, and you bury it in your front yard. Apparently your house will sell within 1 month without any advertising. Established in 1718, we were a city before the United States was even a country. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Some of y'all didn't do it. I don't know why.
Hi, JJ.
We're gonna do it right. I'm trying to do them, but I'm afraid I'm gonna hurt the wood. That's right.
Recording your camper?
There what?
Are you recording your
I am. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a really cool spot. Like I said before, when I was first told we're going to go for a river walk, me being a farm boy, I think we're going to go to a river and go for a walk along the river. I had no idea that this place even existed. And it was a great atmosphere. Like I said, there was restaurants and bars and shows and obviously a boat ride. So no, it was a really good time. And I just want to thank Lily and Selena. It was very nice meeting you. If you guys don't know, Lori and Lily have been friends for many years. And it was pretty cool that they wanted to join up with us when we went for our walk. So it was really nice meeting you girls. So anyways guys, off to the next one. Until we meet again, be good, be kind, be careful. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.